After more than a year of waiting, today we finally learned the identities of some of the alleged clients connected to a high-end brothel bust. 28 so-called John Does started appearing in court today for the first of 3 days of initial hearings. Hello, everyone. I'm Colton Bradford.
And I'm Priscilla Casper. The clients were initially described by investigators as people of influence and power, ranging from doctors to elected officials. We sent our NBC 10's John Maroney to court in Cambridge to learn more about the alleged clients. John, what are you learning tonight?
Priscilla, was still waiting for the court to confirm some of those names, but today there were 12 scheduled hearings for 12 different men. Only 2 of them appeared in person.
Mark, any sort of comment at all about what happened?
Mark Zhu outside court after learning he'll be charged with paying a fee for sex. Inside, his attorney's request to hold off on the complaint was denied.
My client has 0.0 criminal record of any sort. He's 28 years old.
Those women were trafficked!
Protesters gathered in front of the courthouse.
Shame on you!
These hearings are normally closed, but the state Supreme Court opened them to the public. Attorney Howard Cooper tried unsuccessfully to move the hearing behind closed doors for his client John Durant, who was a no-show.
My client continues his objection to this hearing being public.
The U.S. Attorney's Office has said the clientele includes the wealthy and well-connected. Attorney Kevin Mahoney says that's not the case for his client, David LaCava of Waltham. He didn't come to court and is apparently going through a divorce because of the allegations.
My client is not one of the individuals, Madam Clerk, that anybody in the media is going to be interested in. He's a software engineer, doesn't hold any government clearances.
Talked about doing things differently. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Jason Hahn is the only other so-called buyer to show up for his hearing. The Concord man will face sex for money charges. His attorney said he could lose his job at Brigham and Women's Hospital.
We deserve, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts deserves to keep this young healthcare hero employed.
Now, the court did issue criminal complaints for all the hearings today. Those men who did not show up today, they won't be in trouble, but if they don't show up for their arraignments, they will be. Well, live in Cambridge, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.